Imagine spending 1 year creating content, buying expensive gadgets, copying your favorite creators, only to realize you've been following advice that were never true in the first place. Disappointing, right? Unfortunately, that's the reality of so many Nigerian creators. Trust me, I know, because I used to believe some of these myths too. I thought I needed a better phone. I thought I needed thousands of followers before brands would notice me. And I thought if my videos didn't go viral, maybe content creation is not just for me. But I was wrong. Today, we are breaking down some of the content creation myths Nigerian creators still believe. And these myths are quietly stopping Nigerian creators from growing, making money, and building their personal brands. Some of these myths are so common that you may believe them without even realizing it. So as you are watching, keep count of how many of these myths you've actually believed in. By the end of this video, tell me your numbers in the comments. You might actually be surprised. Let's get into it. Myth number 1, you need an iPhone to become a successful creator. This one is the biggest one. You feel like if I just get an iPhone, my content will automatically become better. No, although an iPhone is a fantastic tool, it's not a magic wand. I've seen creators with the most expensive phone post content that barely gets views, and I've seen someone with an affordable Android phone post content that do well just because they understand editing, storytelling, and lighting. People don't follow cameras, they follow creators that make them laugh, teach them something, inspire them, or solve a problem. Your phone matters far less than your creativity, so stop waiting for a better device and start mastering the one you have in your hand. Myth 2, you must post every day to grow. I'm sure you've already heard this before. Post 3 times a day, post every day, don't miss a day. Although I agree with some parts of this, and yes, consistency matters, but consistency should not equal burnout. If posting every day means your content is put out in a rush way, or you're posting at low quality, trust me, you're hurting your growth. Instead of posting every day, focus on a realistic schedule you can maintain. 3 high-valued videos every week will almost always outperform 7 videos that's posted in a rush or that was filmed in a rush. Remember this, quality builds trust, consistency builds expectation, and you need both of them. Myth 3, Nigerian audiences don't support Nigerians. Absolute lie. This particular myth frustrates me because it becomes an excuse for so many people not to put out content. I agree, yes, some creators get more engagement from international audiences, but many Nigerian creators have built incredible communities and audiences right here at home. So the issue isn't usually about nationality, it's about value. Ask yourself these questions. Am I solving a problem? Am I entertaining people? Do I inspire people? And am I telling stories that are relatable? Because in actual sense, people support content that makes them feel something. So before you blame the audience, improve your content. Myth 4, you need thousands of followers before brands will pay you. Who told you that? This is one of the most expensive myths you can believe, because trust me, brands are becoming smarter. It's not just about the numbers anymore. It's about the type and quality of content you are putting out. Many brands now work with micro creators because they believe they usually and normally have strong engagement and trust. A creator with 2,000 engaging followers can sometimes create better than a creator with 100,000 inactive followers. And we've seen this a lot. Trust me, it's everywhere. Like it's no longer about the numbers. It's about your community. And this is why it's very important for you to build a community. It's important for you to focus on building a relationship with your audience, because engagement is more valuable than vanity metrics. Myth 5, if my first video doesn't go viral, I have failed. How we take relate. Most successful creators have videos that barely got any views. The difference is they kept improving. Every video you put out teaches you something. It's either you need to better your editing, better your hooks, or better your storytelling. You should know that growth on social media is usually gradual before it becomes obvious. So don't let one disappointing post convince you to quit. Myth 6, copying big creators is the fastest way to grow. This one irks me. Like the moment you copy a creator, everyone can see it. It's even worse when this person is a big creator, because definitely they have a large audience, and then you go ahead to copy the person word for word. you are hurting your brand. You are hurting your personal brand. Like, you are hurting your growth. Don't get me wrong. Learning from top creators is a smart thing to do. But copying them word for word doesn't make sense. Your audience wants your personality, your perspective, and your experience. If every single one of us sounds the same, how do we differentiate each other? And why should viewers choose you? Always use trends as an inspiration, or use your favorite creator as an inspiration, not as a replacement of originality. Remember, the goal isn't to become another version of your favorite creator. The goal is to become the first version of yourself. Myth 7. You need expensive equipment to look professional. Your money go just finish. Your lighting, your audio, your comprehension, and your editing matters much more than expensive gadgets that you are looking to get. A well-lit video with clear audio often beats a poorly shot camera video. Instead of asking, what camera should I buy? Ask, how can I improve my storytelling? How can I improve my content as a whole? This right here is where growth begins. Myth 8. More followers means more money. Ojuabo, your eye will peel. And this particular one actually surprises people. See, trust me when I tell you that I make money from content creation. Like, I've been a makeup artist for years, and trust me when I tell you that I've made much more money from content creation than I ever made as a makeup artist. And I don't even have huge followers. Followers don't automatically create income. The value you put out does. Some creators with smaller audience earn from brand deals, UGC deals, digital products, consultations, affiliate marketing, and services. For instance, me, I earn from content creation. I earn from product photography and products videos. I earn from teaching people how to create content. I earn from consultations. So instead of chasing followers, build a community that trusts your recommendation, because trust is what brands and your audiences are looking out for. Myth 9. Content creation is too saturated. For where so many people said YouTube was saturated, but trust me, new creators have become successful from YouTube. People said Instagram was saturated. New creators grew. People now say TikTok is saturated, yet every week new people break through. The internet isn't looking for another copy of someone else. They are looking for fresh creators, and that could be you. So start. There's nothing like the industry is saturated. Start today. Myth 10. I'll start when everything is perfect. You will just keep procrastinating. So if you've ever told yourself, I'll start when I have a better phone, I'll start when I move, I'll start when I have more time, or I'll start next month, you will never start. Perfection is one of the biggest enemy of progress, and don't let anyone fool you. The creator that is perfect in your eyes today started from somewhere. They started with the least gadgets. But why do you see their videos perfect today? Is because they started and then they improved. Your first video will definitely not be your best, but you can't get your best video without starting first. And we've come to the end of this. If you've ever believed each one of these myths, or you still do believe each one of them, trust me, you are not alone. Most of us have. The important thing is to let go of the beliefs that are slowing your growth. Content creation isn't about waiting for the perfect phone, perfect lighting, or perfect condition. It's about showing up, improving with every upload, and building trust with people who genuinely enjoy your content. Now, I want to hear from you. Which myth have you believed the longest? Or is there any content creation myth that you know of that I didn't talk about? Let's gist in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share with another Nigerian creator that needs this reminder. Remember, the creator who keeps learning will always outperform the creator who keeps making excuses. I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video.